Good morning. My name is Satvik Anand. I am from GMA 2K17 batch. My project or seminar title is Future of Electric Vehicles in India. This presentation will cover Introduction to electric cars, need for electric vehicles and hybrid electrical vehicles, pros and cons of electrical vehicles, introduction to hybrid vehicles, pros and cons of hybrid vehicles, Indian market for electrical vehicle and hurdles to electric vehicle industry. So the basic question is, what is an electric car? An electric car is a one powered by an electric motor rather than a traditional petrol diesel engine. This electric motor is powered by rechargeable batteries that can be charged by common household electricity. Coming to history of electric vehicles, nothing new under horizon. Electric cars have been around us more than 100 years ago. They have soared around the turn of 20th century, facing extinction from the pre to post-war era. So, the basic question is why we need electric cars when we have the conventional petrol and diesel cars. So the very first concern is the environmental concern. The current use of heat combustion engines is a major source of air pollution and also giving rise to the global warming. This has disrupted the major natural cycles of us and also caused pollution to a greater extent. The second one is practical concerns. Current conventional cars use a quickly decreasing source of fossil fuels. Although no one knew exactly how long the world supply of fossil fuel will exist. So it's better for us to find renewable sources of energy that will long forever. What is hybrid electrical vehicle? The hybrid electric vehicle HEVs have two complementary drive systems, a gasoline engine with a fuel tank and an electric motor with a battery. Both the engine and electric motor can turn the transmission at the same time, and the transmission then turns the wheels. HEVs cannot recharge the battery from the grid. All their energy comes from gasoline and regenerative braking system. Coming to pros and cons of the hybrid electric vehicles. The hybrid vehicles have longer range than conventional battery electric vehicles. They are less gas consumption as the conventional gas only vehicles. Also the emission coming from them is quite low. Cons. Talking about the cons, the HEV still produces some amount of emissions. These are expensive to operate but less than traditional gasoline engines. Another drawback of HEVs is that it does not have any ability to charge the vehicle at our homes. The Indian electric car market overview. The Indian electric car market size was valued $71.1 million in the year 2017 and is projected to reach $707 million by the 2025, witnessing a CAGR of 34.5%. Government schemes and subsidies are playing a major role in the growth of Indian market. In addition, the growing environmental concerns owing to high pollution levels in major cities of the country are also positively affecting the Indian electric market growth. The Indian electric car market can be easily understood with the help of the graph shown below, which shows the forecasting of Indian electric cars to the number of units sold by the year 2013 up to forecast period of 2025. Talking about the hurdles in the path of electric cars. The number one, consumer faith. There is a lack in the faith of consumer towards electric cars. EVs have failed in the past and public may be little apprehensive to put their faith in them once again. Secondly, gas cars. People will start by purchasing gas powered cars as they have the ability to travel much longer distances as compared to the electric vehicles. Long charging period. Another major drawback of EVs is that long time they need to get charged. That truly makes EVs incompetent against the IC engine vehicles, which takes a very less time to refuel again. And lastly, insufficient charging stations. Though public charging stations have increased a lot in number, still they are not enough and hence it becomes difficult to find a nearby charging station when required urgently. Thank you. May know me if you have any queries.